Hey guys, welcome back to another how-to channel video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a YouTube channel. Alright, so here we go. First thing you're going to want to do is go on YouTube, obviously. And then you want to go to the top right. You're going to want to go to switch account and then add account. You're going to want to go to create account, obviously. But if you have an account that you want to use, that's just spare and you want to use it for a channel, then you're going to want to put it here. So you're going to want to click create account if you want to make a new one. You're going to get this thing. You're going to write your name. After that, you're going to want to click create new address instead. Unless you also have one that you want to add and stuff. So let me just do this thing. This isn't one of my real accounts. This is just an account I used for something else. Well, I was trying to create one, but I stopped. You're gonna want to make a password that you remember. So like I have a password that I use for everything. You're gonna want to do that. You're gonna go to next, and you're gonna come to this part. The phone number is optional. Recovery email is optional too. You're gonna want to do your birthday. I'm gonna do some random numbers, cause actually now I'll do my birthday. But just letting you know, this is a tip. Try to do like 1990, 1990 something, because if you're like 2000 or over, the thing won't let you make an account or a channel. I had that problem multiple times, and yeah. I'm a male. You could do whatever you want. You're a female, male. You'd rather not say, or a custom, like trans, or Next. You're gonna get this whole thing. No one ever reads it, but if you want to, you could, obviously. I agree. And there we go. You've made your account, but it's not a channel yet. It's not a channel yet. So for some reason I went into another account, so I'm gonna go switch. I'm gonna look for it, and here it is. You're gonna go to it, and so you're not gonna have anyone subscribed to. It's just gonna bring you these: the gaming, sports, music, popular on YouTube, random videos from your country. So it's not a YouTube channel yet. So look, it says create channel. Usually when you have a channel, it will say your channel. You're gonna press create a channel. You're gonna get this, get started. Use custom name. Add channel name. Let's say this is let's think how to dab. Whoops. Alright, I understand. Create. Profile picture, gonna do that another time. Channel description, I am cool. I don't have a website. Save and continue. And here you go. You're gonna wanna customize your channel and everything, upload videos, stuff like that. And you could do this with another channel. For example, like if you have another account that you could make the account that you use to watch videos, you could make that your channel if you wanted to. It'll just tell you the exact same thing, create a channel. And that's all. To upload a video, you're going to want to go up here. And you're going to want to press upload the video. But I can't click on that right now because I can't see it for some reason. You guys will see it, I won't, because there's this bar over here that you can't see. And yeah, that's all. Customize channel. To do that, you could just click from here and stuff. Alright, and channel art. That's all. Thank you guys for listening. I will most probably post another video today. And that's all. Just one tip for YouTube that you're gonna wanna, when you're gonna make a title, probably try to also say what you're gonna do in the description, because that makes YouTube know what you're gonna do. So that's all. And then you're gonna come on suggested, and you're gonna come on people's search. Alright. Thank you guys for listening, and see you later.